How to install safety eyes. First, locate the vertical center line of your amigurumi piece's face. Insert a needle into the stitch on the center line to mark your reference point. Insert the left and right safety eyes into the matching stitches on either side of the center line. Always double-check that the placement of both eyes is perfectly symmetrical and positioned for your project. From the inside of your piece, align the locking washer with the post of the safety eye. Press down evenly on the washer with your thumbs. Install the other safety eyes washer. Tug both eyes gently to confirm they're secure. Safety eyes installation complete. Safety eyes are not safe for children younger than 3 years old or pets. If you don't want to use safety eyes, simply embroider them on instead.